Hello, this is the makeup tutorial video for Bird Girls. First, you want to take your eyeliner and oh no, mine is very bristled. You get like this, go up, fill in. Go on the bottom of the lid. Do not touch your waterline, tear line, whatever it's called with this, because it's a liquid and that will sting like the dickens. Yeah, next, take your makeup palette and do two colors that match your outfit. Since I'm purple, I will be using the I will be using this and this. If you are blue, look at the palette because I cannot see. You'll want to use this one and this one. If you're green, this one and this one. Yeah, you can just kind of tell what to use just based on the palette. This is pretty, like, color coordinated palette. But yeah, you're gonna take the darker one of the two, put it on your brush, and just put it on your eyelid. You're gonna want to go high with this, mostly so it can be seen if your eyelids fold like mine do. Okay, then you're gonna take the lighter color of the two, put that on the edge. If it's not showing up well, try dabbing it on like this. It takes a bit longer and it helps it stick. And you get your darker one again, and then just kind of mix it all. And yeah, that's the tutorial for Bird Girls. I'm not gonna do the other eye because I have to finish all these videos. Okay, yeah, have a good day.